everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm Nikisha. In today I'll be showing you one of my DIY. In this DIY I'll be sharing with you how to get rid of dry cracked feet using some simple ingredients that you find in your home. So if it is something that you would like to see, please continue to watch this video. Now here I have my basin that I'm going to be using. I'm going to add to the basin some water, and the water that I'm using, guys, is some warm water. And I'm just going to use to the amount that I think will be necessary. I'm just checking the water to see that it's not too hot, just at the right temperature. Now I'm going to be adding some baking soda to the water, just about 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda. When we soak our feet in baking soda, it helps to exfoliate the skin and it cleanses the feet and it removes that dead skin. Dead skin or loose skin on the feet is your feet's way of naturally exfoliating and shedding dead skin cells. So it's something that occurs naturally. So in order to get rid of it now, or to get rid of those dead skin cells, soaking the feet in water helps to soften the skin and make it easier to exfoliate the dead skin cells, so that when I am ready to scrub after the 10 to 15 minutes, it's much easier to come off. My other ingredient that I'm going to be using is some olive oil, and this is optional, guys, but I love to use olive oil, and I'm just going to put maybe just a little tablespoon or so into the water, not too much. Olive oil has a lot of vitamins and it is also rich in antioxidants, and this is going to help to soften dry and cracked heels. So olive oil is very good for that. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be placing my feet inside the basin, and I'm going to just ensure that I am very comfortable. So normally when I do this, guys, I would normally maybe sit and watch some of my favorite YouTubers. And I'm going to leave the feet inside the basin for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is what the foot is looking like, guys, after 10 minutes. Look at it. You see how easily the dead skin is rubbing off, even with my hands, guys. So I'm just gonna use a foot scrub. This is the scrub that I will be using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub the feet and try to get rid of all that dead skin. Look at it, guys. And I try to do this at least once per month. That's what I like to do. And as you can see, guys, I'm just using my hands just to do a little massage too here at the end. I'm telling you, guys, it feels so relaxing. It helps with circulation when we massage. Even when my husband was here the last time, I did his feet, and I'm telling you, he enjoyed it. Because you know, when you go to the salon and you're doing your feet and all of that, you feel so good. So it's similar to going to a salon, but it's just that I'm doing it for myself. So yes, guys, I'm just giving my final massage. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna rinse off my feet, and then I'm gonna pat dry, and I will show you what it's looking like at the end. So guys, I'm gonna be using some Vaseline for moisture. Just gonna use a little, and I'm just gonna massage it onto the foot. All right, this Vaseline, guys, is gonna help to moisture and soften the feet. And I'm just gonna massage it in. Look at the feet now, guys. You're not seeing any of that crack that you saw before at the before pics. So my foot is looking very soft. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna massage it in for a few minutes, and I'm gonna do this to both feet. Let's look at it, guys. Look at the foot, very soft, not seeing that dryness, that dead skin. No, not anymore. So all of that is gone. And the same for this one, guys. My foot is looking very soft. I'm not seeing any of that dry, cracked skin under the foot. So there you have it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, guys, please remember to comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.